Hello and welcome to RNA TV. This is the morning news bulletin. First of all, starting with international news. The first news is from US, where US President-elect Joe Biden will receive his second dose of the Covid-19 vaccine on Monday. His office announced 3 weeks after his first injection was broadcast live on TV to boost public confidence in the jab. Biden, 78 years old, told Americans there's nothing to worry about when he got his first dose of the Pfizer vaccine at the Christiana Hospital in Newark, Delaware on December 21st. His team said that his second jab would also be done in front of the media without giving any further details. More than 374,000 people have died from the coronavirus in America, and Biden on Friday slammed President Donald Trump administration's troubled distribution of vaccines as a travesty. About 6.7 million Americans have so far received their first shot, far short of the target of 20 million by the end of 2020. But 22.1 million doses have been distributed nationwide, underlining the logistical challenge of getting the injections administered to the elderly and health workers who are at the priority. Both vaccines currently authorized in the US, developed by Pfizer and Moderna, require recipients to receive booster shots after 3 and 4 weeks respectively. Biden, who will be inaugurated on January 20th, plans to release every available dose of vaccine rather than holding back half to make sure people receive their booster shots on time, as is the current protocol. Moving on to the next news, mainland China saw its biggest daily increase in COVID-19 cases in more than 5 months, the country's National Health Authority said on Monday, as new infections in Hebei province surrounding Beijing continue to rise. A county in the northeastern Heilongjiang province on Monday moved into lockdown after reporting new novel coronavirus infections, state television also reported separately. Hebei accounted for 82 of the 85 new local infections reported on January 10th, the National Health Commission said in a statement, with Liaoning province also reporting 2 new cases and Beijing reporting 1 new case. The country also saw 18 new imported infections from overseas. The total number of COVID-19 cases stood at 103, the highest since 127 cases were reported on July 30th. Though the new cases being reported in recent days remain a small fraction of what the country saw at the height of the outbreak in early 2020, authorities are moving aggressively to curb the spread of the disease and prevent another national wave of infections. Moving on to the national news, there has been a surge in avian influenza or bird flu cases in the country as authorities fear the diseases may be spreading rapidly beyond the 7 states confirmed to have been afflicted so far, after reports of unusual bird mortality from new areas. Regions where H1N8 cases have been confirmed are spread out across the country, forming a south to north arc which raises the threat for other central and eastern states, an official said. Scientists have confirmed the current H1 strain is transmissible from birds to humans, although such a risk is currently low. Bird flu epidemics have been confirmed so far by the Bhopal-based National Institute of High Security Animal Disease in Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Avian flu has significant economic impact. Poultry farmers in these states said they were counting losses from decimated farms. The flu has a domino effect in related supply chains. When chicken prices crash, they tend to bring down maize prices too, hurting farm incomes, said Abhishek Agarwal of Comtrade, a commodities firm. Maize is a major feed used for poultry. Moving on to the next news, the central government is planning to scale up the digital online platform Kisan Mart that allows farmers to directly sell their produce to private buyers, even as the impasse over the 3 new agricultural laws continues. According to people familiar with the matter, the pilot, which is currently active in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Haryana, will now be extended to Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Gujarat and Telangana. The Kisan Mart is a partnership between Agri 10X and the Common Services Center scheme, which operates under the Digital India project of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Nearly 375,000 CSCs are functional at the panchayat level across India. Farmers are allowed to register at the CSC, and after their KYC is completed, they can sell produce online without the hassle of having to transport it. According to Pankaj Gode, CEO of Agri 10X, nearly 5 lakh farmers are registered on the portal, which provides them access to 5,000 buyers. The buyers include major grocery retailers such as Big Basket, Reliance Fresh, Ninja Cart, Venky's and Haldiram's. From the sports section, yesterday in the Indian Super League 2 matches were played. In the first match, Chennaiyin FC and Odisha FC played a draw for 0-0. In the second match, Kerala Blasters beat Jamshedpur FC 3-2 to register their win. Today, ATK Mohan Bagan will be facing Mumbai City FC at 7:30 p.m. The third test match between India and Australia got interesting as India required 123 runs to win in the last session of day 5. Currently, the series is leveled at 1-1. This is it in the bulletin so far. Stay tuned with RNA TV for latest updates. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you and have a nice day.